We started the MeatStick with a single purpose: to create a truly wireless meat thermometer. Easy to use, fun and affordable. Our goal? Achieve meat perfection every time. This year we are thrilled to present you our most exciting thermometer yet, the Mini by TMS. Our technology started a barbecue revolution for good reasons. Inside and out, the Mini by TMS combines the readiness of an instant read thermometer, the durability of stainless steel, the advantage of going wireless, and the latest technology in 5 ways. The Mini by TMS is small, up to 32% smaller than most of the popular wireless meat thermometers. The stick is made with food-grade stainless steel for durability and high heat tolerance, making it very versatile. Being water and deep fry proof, sous-vide and dishwasher safe, there's almost no cooking method or type of meat that you can't use the Mini with. Throw a steak right into the fire pit. Deep fry chicken drumsticks. Sous vide cook a pork rack for up to 8 hours. Roast a whole chicken in the oven. You name it. The native app will walk you through the few steps in order to set up your cook. Alerts will let you know when your meat is ready and your desired doneness. No more undercooked or dried up meat. Enjoy up to 30 feet or 10 meters in line of sight with the Mini, or get extended range of up to 262 feet or 80 meters with the Mini X thanks to its premium charger that doubles as a signal amplifier. For added versatility, the Mini does not need to be paired with your smartphone. Just open the app and start reading the temperature. You can also use up to 8 Minis per phone. For the past year and a half, we have obsessed over every little detail of the Mini. We combine thoughtful design features with high-performance electronics to make a long-lasting wireless meat thermometer. You will be able to focus on the most important part of your gatherings, your friends and family. The Mini will let you know when it's time to enjoy your food. We're extremely excited to get the Mini by TMS into your hands. In order to do that, we need your help. Our design and tooling process is finished and we are ready to go straight into production. Your pledge will help make the Mini by TMS wireless meat thermometer become a reality. From all of us at the MeatStick, thank you.